Get your piece on. Put 3 screws in. Crawl in back behind and mark out where the frame of stairs are. And then we're going to pull it off. Lay it on the ground. Cut it. Okay. I've got my piece marked out. Where my screw holes were at, where I screwed the piece to the unit, we're going to put buttons. Going to proceed to cut and put trim lock on. Okay, I've got my piece cut. As you can see, I only cut these 2 sides. I did not cut this out. Now we're going to add trim lock. Okay, I got my piece of trim lock cut. Going to apply my glue inside the trim lock. I'm going to cup it up in here like that. Real tight all the way. Proceed to move on down. Putting the rest on, make sure it's tight. Another whack. I'm going to proceed to do that to this side and the other 2 sides. Okay, we've got all four seams trim locked. Now where you make your cuts on all 4 corners, make sure you put a rivet. Now we're going to apply the piece back to the unit. Okay, when you get your piece back on the unit, this is how it should look. You're going to pull out your steps. You're going to feed your piece in behind your steps, on front of this bar, then you're going to snap them. That's how it should look.